George W. Bush's life story explained in 1 minute. Did you know George W. Bush ran for president promising to stay out of foreign wars, then ended up starting 2 of them? Bush was born in 1946 in Connecticut, the son of a president. He graduated from Yale, flew jets in the Texas Air National Guard, and later earned an MBA from Harvard. His early career was a string of setbacks: failed oil companies, a baseball team, a reputation as someone coasting on his father's name. Then, in 2000, he won the most contested election in American history, decided by just 537 votes in Florida. He planned to focus on tax cuts and education. History had other plans. On September 11th, 2001, everything changed. Standing on the rubble of the World Trade Center with a bullhorn, he launched the war in Afghanistan and then the invasion of Iraq in 2003. Both wars outlasted his presidency and are still shaping the world today. Bush's story is about the gap between the president he planned to be and the one history forced him to become.